Good morning. I just wanted to check in with all of you guys and give you an update on AI and some other things. First of all, I want to give you a real quick LinkedIn update. We just updated to our latest LinkedIn API, and it allows us to do some really cool tagging and mention features. So we're going to be implementing tagging and mentioning companies. That includes organizations like brands and organizations and also schools. So you're going to be able to tag those, and we're going to try to make it so you can also tag individual members. It's supposed to be able to do that now. So hopefully individuals will be able to be tagged as well, and we'll go live with that as soon as possible, and then we will resume working on version 2 of the AI writer. And I wanted to give you some updates on AI. So just yesterday, Bard was released. That is Google's attempt to catch up to ChatGPT, which recently released GPT-4, which is phenomenal. It uses way more training data points than its predecessor, and it also has considerably more attention, which basically just means way more characters. So over 30,000 words can be used to prompt it, and the entire conversation can basically hold 30,000 words of text before it starts forgetting things and giving you unreliable answers. Also, there was a leak of the new Facebook Llama model, so now that's starting to appear in different places. So I assume that's going to accelerate the public release of Llama by Facebook. So then we'll have 3 major corporations contending for the title of best chatbot for AI. And the good news is V2 is going to support all 3 of them. We're actually going to be allowing you to switch between the 3. So it loads the correct one on the right side of the screen as you generate your prompts on the left side of the screen. Another quick update on V2, something I really love, and I struggled with how to do this, but I really want you guys to be able to not have your morning cup of coffee and still generate an amazing blog post. And what I mean by that is this. Ideas just don't flow for all people the way they do for some. So I want even the people who can't generate the best ideas, maybe you're having a moment where you are looking at a blank page or a blank screen and you just can't generate the right idea. You don't even know what you want to create. I want you to be able to still generate something amazing, including email sequences, all of that. So we're doing that in a very similar way that we did for your social posts. As you know, you could choose the type of social post. It'll be the same for blogs, emails, and all of our other modules. So you'll be able to choose from a preset list of types of documents that you want to create. That will incorporate all of the objectives you have for your organization and for the blog that you're creating in particular. Next, it's going to actually generate, and this is something that other tools aren't doing. It's not just going to generate a blog post for you. It's going to incorporate all of your company profile information, and it's going to incorporate the objective that you have, and it's going to generate 10 ideas for blog posts for you. Once it generates the 10, you'll have an opportunity to select one and generate your blog post, or you can regenerate the list of ideas and you can tweak them. So if they're all coming out a little too conservative, you're going to have the option to generate 10 more ideas that are either like way outside the box, it's like surprise me kind of an option, or ultra conservative if you want to go even more conservative and mainstream, or if you just want to bump it up a little bit and maybe make it a little more engaging and controversial. Then you'll be able to choose which one you like from that newly generated list, and off you go. It'll just generate the perfect blog post for you. And the same is true for emails and all the other modules as well. So looking forward to showing you guys that. I'm really hoping that in the next 2 weeks that goes live. But LinkedIn tagging, depending on how long that takes us, it might push it back just a little bit. But as always, I really thank you for your patience. If you have any other ideas for the AI writer, go to our Facebook group and mention it there. Have a great day, you guys.